1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe, a rare and elegant classic. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe is one of the rarest and most intriguing models in the Thunderbird lineup. As part of the second-generation square-bird design, this vehicle combined luxury, performance, and innovation, standing out as a unique model due to its factory-installed sunroof. With its bold styling, powerful V8 engine options, and a limited production run, the 1960 Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe remains a highly desirable classic among collectors and enthusiasts. The evolution of the Ford Thunderbird. The Ford Thunderbird was introduced in 1955 as a personal luxury car designed to compete with the Chevrolet Corvette. Unlike the Corvette, the Thunderbird focused more on style, comfort, and upscale features rather than pure sports car performance. By 1958, Ford introduced the second-generation Thunderbird, which was significantly larger and featured a 4-seat configuration instead of the original 2-seater layout. This change made the Thunderbird more practical and helped Ford appeal to a broader audience. The 1960 model was the final year of this generation and is considered by many to be the most refined version. One of the most exclusive and sought-after variants of the 1960 Thunderbird was the Sunroof Coupe, which was a limited production model featuring a factory-installed sunroof, a rare feature for American cars at the time. Design and styling. A bold and elegant look. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe was an impressive sight on the road, featuring a bold, squared-off design, which gave it the nickname Square Bird. Exterior features. Sleek, aerodynamic body with sharp lines and sculpted fenders. Wide front grille with chrome accents, giving the car a dominant road presence. Dual round headlights integrated into the front fenders. Distinctive Thunderbird badging and chrome trim along the body. Jet-inspired taillights, reflecting the aviation influence of the 1950s. Factory-installed sunroof, allowing natural light into the cabin. Wide stance and low profile, enhancing its sporty and luxurious appearance. The sunroof feature was particularly notable because it was extremely rare for an American production car in 1960. Only a small number of these special models were built, making them highly collectible today. Engine and performance. A true luxury cruiser. The 1960 Thunderbird was not just about looks, it also offered strong performance, thanks to its powerful V8 engines. Buyers had multiple engine options, all of which provided smooth acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Engine specifications. Standard engine. Engine. 5.8-liter, 352 cubic inch, FEV8. 300 horsepower. Torque. 381 pound-feet. Carburetor. 4-barrel. Optional engine. Engine. 6.4-liter, 390 cubic inch, FEV8. 345 horsepower. Torque. 430 pound-feet. Carburetor. 3 2-barrel carburetors, tri-power setup. The larger 6.4-liter engine provided strong acceleration and high-speed cruising capabilities, making the Thunderbird one of the fastest personal luxury cars of its time. Transmission and drivetrain. 3-speed automatic transmission, Cruise-O-Matic. Rear-wheel drive, ensuring a classic American driving experience. Power steering, making it easy to handle for long-distance touring. Thanks to its smooth V8 power and refined suspension, the 1960 Thunderbird was a comfortable highway cruiser, offering a perfect balance between performance and luxury. Interior. Premium comfort and innovative features. The interior of the 1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe was designed with luxury and innovation in mind. It featured high-quality materials, spacious seating, and modern conveniences for its time. Interior features. Premium leather or high-grade vinyl seats, offering maximum comfort. Sunroof with manual sliding operation, providing a unique open-air experience. Stylish dashboard design, with chrome-trimmed gauges and controls. Aircraft-inspired instrument cluster, reinforcing the futuristic theme. Power windows and power-adjustable seats, available as optional features. Full center console, giving the cabin a sporty yet luxurious feel. Push-button radio, allowing for entertaining long drives. The Thunderbird's cabin was designed to make every drive feel like a first-class experience, setting a new standard for personal luxury cars. Driving experience, smooth, refined, and effortless. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe was not a sports car, but it delivered a powerful, smooth, and enjoyable ride that perfectly suited its role as a luxury cruiser. Key driving features: strong V8 engine, providing effortless acceleration, power steering, and power brakes, making driving easy and comfortable. Soft yet controlled suspension, absorbing road imperfections. Spacious and quiet cabin, ideal for long-distance cruising. With its combination of power, comfort, and exclusivity, the Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe was one of the most desirable cars of its era. The Rarity and Legacy of the 1960 Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe was a special and rare model, produced in extremely limited numbers. While exact production figures are unclear, it is estimated that fewer than 2,500 units were built with the factory sunroof option. Why is it special? One of the first American cars with a factory-installed sunroof, final year of the Squarebird generation, making it a collector's favorite. Powerful V8 engine lineup, offering impressive performance. Luxury-focused interior, with advanced features for the time, a symbol of 1960s American automotive excellence. Due to its rarity and historical significance, the 1960 Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe is highly sought after by classic car collectors, with well-preserved examples selling for $50,000 or more at auctions. The 1960 Ford Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe represents a unique blend of luxury, performance, and innovation in American automotive history. With its elegant design, powerful V8 engines, luxurious interior, and rare factory sunroof, it remains one of the most desirable classic Thunderbirds ever produced. Whether showcased at a classic car event, driven on scenic highways, or preserved as a collector's masterpiece, the 1960 Thunderbird Sunroof Coupe continues to captivate enthusiasts and remind the world of the golden age of American automobiles.